Hi and welcome. 12 red lentils benefits for skin. Red lentils are a red-orange colored legume that is grown throughout the world. They have been known to help improve many health conditions, including skin health. Here are 12 red lentil benefits for your complexion that will make you look beautiful on the outside as well as the inside. 12. Red lentils are high in vitamin E, which is great for anti-aging and keeping your skin glowing with regular consumption. 11. This legume is great for antioxidants, which will help fight free radicals that could lead to dark spots and wrinkles. 10. The red lentils also contain folate, which can help reduce the appearance of any fine lines on your skin by helping with cell regeneration. 9. Another red lentil benefit for the skin is that it's a great source of protein for collagen production. Collagen production is important for helping to keep skin looking youthful and elastic. 8. Red lentils contain a high amount of zinc, which will help your skin heal quicker. If you have any redness in the area around your nose after an injury or if it's been irritated by dry air, then adding red lentils to your diet can help reduce inflammation and redness. 7. Red lentils can help reduce redness in the skin. Red lentils have been shown to contain a high amount of vitamin C, which helps neutralize free radicals that may cause redness. Try adding red lentils into your diet by eating them as soup or incorporating it into any meals you make. 6. Red lentils also contain a high amount of fiber, which may help reduce acne breakouts. 5. Red lentils may also help reduce the redness and swelling of your eyes due to lack of sleep. This is because red lentils can regulate blood sugar levels, which will balance stress hormones that are known for causing eye redness. 4. This legume also contains a high amount of manganese, which will help with redness in skin conditions like rosacea and eczema. 3. Red lentils will help with skin hydration by supplying moisturizing properties to your skin, which is vital for a healthy-looking face. 2. Red lentils are known to protect the skin from sun damage because of their high vitamin content. 1. Red lentils are known to improve blood circulation to the skin on your face to promote healthy skin. Fantastic! Subscribe. It makes it easy to find us again. And also, if you like this video, scroll down now, and enjoy more information in the description below.